Good morning, class 4. I hope you all are doing good. Now, today we are going to start a new English grammar topic, that is articles. In articles, we have a and the. Okay, so we have these three articles, a and the. And where do we use, how do we use these articles, that we are going to discuss today. Okay, so basically we use articles before our nouns. We have already understood nouns very well. We have discussed this topic in our previous life classes numerous times. But if you still face any difficulty in understanding what do we understand by noun, you can contact me right away. Okay, so basically we use articles before our nouns. But where do we specifically use a, where do we specifically use and where do we specifically use the? So we use a and. Okay, a and are used before the indefinite nouns. Okay, these are also called indefinite articles. So indefinite articles are those articles when we use these articles a and before such nouns about which we do not have any prior knowledge. Okay, the nouns which we had no idea or we had no knowledge of in our mind, we were not familiar with these nouns beforehand. So we use these nouns, these articles a and before the nouns which we are getting to know for the first time. Okay, so that is why they are called indefinite articles. And the is called the definite articles because we use the before such nouns about which we have the prior knowledge, about which we know already. Okay, so we use the before such nouns. So this was about the usage. What all other things you should keep in mind related to articles? We should always use a and an before our singular nouns and the before our plural nouns. And is specifically used with those nouns which begins with vowel sound. Okay, and a is used specifically with the consonant sound. Okay, and one more thing related to the article, the is majorly used whenever we are talking about famous rivers, names of the rivers, newspapers, countries, mountain ranges. Okay, so all of these nouns which are very famous and which begins with capital letters are used with the, or we can say we use the article before proper nouns. Okay, so these were the things which you should keep in mind whenever you are putting your articles in the sentences. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you so much. Take care. Morning, class 4. I hope you all are doing good. Now today we are going to solve a worksheet based on our English grammar topic, that is articles. So I've already explained what are articles, where do we use these articles, and what all important things we should keep in mind related to our English grammar topic, articles. So I would suggest you all to watch the video first carefully and then come to this particular video and solve this worksheet. Then only you will be able to understand why and where we are using these specific articles. Okay, so let's begin with the question number 1. As I have already told you, we use articles before our nouns. Okay, so we in the first question we have some nouns given to us, and before these nouns we have to fill in the suitable article, article a or article an. Now where do we use article a? We use article a before such nouns which begin with consonant sound, and article an before vowel sound. We all are aware with the vowels, right? A, E, I, O, U. And leaving these 5 alphabet, rest of our alphabet are consonants. Okay, so those nouns which begins with vowel sound, we use article "and" before that, and those nouns which begin with consonant sound, we use article "a" before such nouns. So let's look at our given nouns in the question number 1, and we'll see whether we will be using article "a" or article "and" before these nouns. First one is igloo. Igloo clearly begins with the vowel sound A-E-I-O-U, E, right? So, an igloo. A kitten. Kitten begins with consonant sound, so we have used article A. An owl. A tiger. An inch. A banana. So now I hope you all are able to distinguish between the sound of vowel and consonant. So with the vowel sounds, we always use article "an", and with the consonant sounds, we use article "a". Now in the second exercise, we have been given some sentences, and in these sentences, we have been given the blanks in which we have to fill in the suitable articles from "a", "and", or "the". Okay, so we'll read our sentences one by one and we'll see which particular article should be filled in these respective blanks. So in the first one, John wanted to read dash comic book. I have already told you we use article "a" before such nouns, article "a" and article "an" before such nouns about which we do not have any prior knowledge, or we are getting to know about them for the first time. Okay, so these articles, these nouns which we did not know beforehand, we use articles "a" and "an" before such nouns. And that is why "a" and "an" are also called indefinite articles. So in this particular sentence, we do not know which particular comic book John is talking about. So we have used article "a". In the second one, the class went on a field trip. We do not know the exact place, to which particular place they have gone to on a trip. So we have used "a" article again. He likes to read the short stories. I have already told you with the plural nouns we always use "the". So here in the sentence, there we have been given plural noun short stories. So we have used "the" article. Lisa put an orange on her yogurt. Orange begins with vowel sound, so we have used article "an". My mom likes making a cake from the scratch. We do not know which particular cake she is talking about, so we have used article "a". I quickly ate the cookies. So cookies is in plural form, that is why we have used article "the". And last we have an oval is shaped like an egg. So oval and egg begins with sound of vowel. So that is why we have used article "and" before them. Okay, so these were your exercises based on your English grammar topic articles. You are going to write down these exercises in your English notebook in a very neat and clean handwriting, and after that you are going to click the pictures of your homework and send it in the homework group before 5 p.m. positively. That's it for today. Thank you so much. Take care.